For the first time in years, two things just happened in the housing market at the same exact time, and almost nobody realizes what it means. Prices just dropped the most in nearly a decade, while buyers have been pouring back into the market for 7 straight months. If you've been waiting for that sign to get into flipping houses, this is way louder than any sign you're going to get. That combination almost never happens, and 2 separate national reports just confirmed it's happening right now. I'm Martinez. I've been flipping houses for well over a decade, so when I tell you the market just cracked open for brand new investors, I'm not just reading you a headline, I'm telling you what I see when I actually dig into the data. Now, 3 things you need to see. 1, what just changed? 2, why falling prices are the green light, not the warning sign. And 3, the one number that tells you exactly where the money is right now. Now stick with me for that last one, because it's the difference between having the opportunity pass you by and actually reaping the rewards. Now let me take you back, because you need to feel what the last few years actually did to people. In short, the market froze. Prices climbed out of reach. Then the interest rates, we all saw them jump, and everything just locked up. Regular people who wanted in, they couldn't buy, and people already in didn't dare to sell, because who the heck trades a 3% mortgage for a 7% one? So not a lot of people moved. And for the average flipper, it got harder 7 quarters in a row. Almost 2 years of shrinking returns. And every quarter it got tougher, another wave of people quit and said the same thing you've heard 100 times. Oh, you missed the window, it's too late to get into now. Now, I watch people who are this close, people who started learning, started making the offers, just walk away because they thought hard meant impossible. And here's the thing about that, because this is the whole entire game. This is a moment that every investor can hit, and it's called the valley of disappointment. It's where progress feels invisible, so most people quit, and that's exactly what happened over the last 2 years. The people who walked away, they just never stuck around long enough to see what came next. And here it is, the market is thawing. And 2 separate national reports from 2 separate companies measuring 2 different things are pointing in the same exact direction. First, Realtor.com. The typical home just got more affordable, posting its steepest price decline in about 9 years. Now for the average buyer, that's around $1,500 less a year than 12 months ago. And finally, buyers are now coming off the sidelines. Pending sales, they've risen for 7 straight months, and homes are selling just as fast as last year. And Realtor.com's chief economist is now saying that the market is functioning again. So the translation, it's cheaper to buy and demand is coming back. Now the second report, Adam, it's the biggest data company in the country, and they track every fix and flip in America. And for the first time in nearly 2 years, house flipper profit margins turned up from 24.7 to 25.4%. And that increase may look small, but it's the direction that matters. 7 straight months of declining, and it finally moved higher. And it wasn't just one lucky city. Flipping activity rose in 77% of the markets they track, more than 3 out of 4. So the people who quit recently, they quit at the exact bottom. And the turn that showed up the quarter after they gave up, well, that's the valley of disappointment playing out in front of the whole entire country. But just knowing it turned isn't enough. You need to know where, because that's when it actually gets real for you. Now here's the part nobody's talking about. When Adam broke down which flips made the most money, one price range crushed everything else. Homes bought between $100,000 and $200,000. Those returned about 32%, while the national average sat around 25%. Now let's think about what this means. These aren't the luxury homes or the massive construction projects. These are the deals that a brand new investor can actually compete for, and the data says that's where the biggest returns are hiding. And now here's why this is about to get even better. Remember the frozen market? For years, the people who most wanted these entry-level homes, the first-time home buyers, they were getting locked out, priced out by the rates, stuck renting, stuck waiting. That was the reality. But watch what's happening now. Prices are easing, and that waiting crowd is jumping back in. That logjam, it's finally breaking, so the homes that make flippers the most money are the exact homes this new wave of buyers wants most. Now when you fix up a house and you put it back on the market, you're not hoping that someone shows now. You're handing it to a line of buyers that's been waiting there for years. And now the right house to go after as a fix and flipper doesn't mean the cheapest house. So the homes bought under $50,000, the bargain bin stuff that people think is a smart play, those actually lost money, about 14% in the red. So cheap isn't the same as profitable. The sweet spot is in that middle lane, and the data shows it. So look where that leaves us. Most people are still guessing. You don't have to. The data just showed you where the best opportunities are and where demand is returning. And at Real Estate Skills, we have a saying, the deals are in the data. And that's exactly what I was just able to show you. Now, this isn't easy money. It takes discipline. The investors who consistently win are the ones who know their numbers, they buy right, and they follow a proven process. The market doesn't decide who succeeds. Efficient and effective execution does. And that's why this moment right now matters. The market just turned, but most people still think it's dead. And the investors acting now, well, they have the opportunity before everyone else catches on. Now, I don't want this to sound out of reach for anyone. I want to tell you about Daniel. He's one of my flipping clients. While everybody else called this market dead, he's been out buying with the right process, deal by deal, doing exactly what we're talking about. And right now, this quarter, he's flipping houses in Massachusetts. And here's a number that matters. He got a property accepted at $100,000 under asking. That's not luck. That's the exact thing I'm saying. You make your money when you buy. He bought right, and that one deal is looking at around a $91,000 profit. And why stop when you got the data behind you, the market behind you? Another one's closing soon for him. He's aiming for at least 2 more big ones before the year end. This is a real person in real time in the exact conditions that I'm describing right now. So while the crowd is arguing about whether it's too late to get in or the market's bad, Daniel's literally flipping houses right now while everyone else is gossiping and really not doing anything. Now, this isn't really talent, it's not luck. He didn't quit, he works on his skills, and he learned to buy right. Now, maybe you're here and you don't want to fix and flip yourself. Maybe you want to wholesale where you find the great deals, put them under contract, and then you pass them on to a fix and flipper and you get paid for that. Well, watch this. When flippers are coming back into the market, like these reports show, that's more active cash buyers out there, the exact people you can wholesale your deals to. More flippers buying means more buyers for the wholesale deals that you find. So either fix and flip it yourself or wholesale it to someone who will. The data shows it works in your favor either way. So let's bring it home. Remember what I promised, what changed, why it's good news, and whether now is the right time to start flipping houses. What changed? The freeze is over. Why it's good news, not bad. It's cheaper to buy and buyers are coming back at the same time. That's the exact window every new investor dreams about. And your moment is probably this one if you've ever been thinking about getting into real estate. Not because it's easy, because it's open and most people's heads are still stuck in the sand. Now here's the truth most people never get. The best time to start investing in real estate was 15 years ago, and the second best time is right now. The people who recently quit, they gave up 3 feet from gold. But now you've seen the data, 2 reports, same answer, you've seen it turn, and you see people doing it just like Daniel. Now that I've shown you that the door is open, what I haven't shown you is how to walk through it, because that's a whole nother video to begin with. Now the link is in the description below. It's free, and it's the exact training that gets somebody their first flip or first wholesale deal today in this market. I'm gonna cover how to find distressed properties below market value across the country, so that buy right skill, both reports just proved where the money is, and then how to do this without wasting any time or any of your money on marketing. So the free training is the difference between looking at that window and actually climbing right through it. Everybody who just saw these reports now knows the market is trending the right way, but you know what? Most people aren't going to do anything about it. But the few who will, that training is in the description below for you. And then if you want to see me break down the full fix and flip process from buying the property right to renovating the property to selling it for top dollar on the market, you can watch any of these videos next. I'll break down the full process. So check it out. You won't be disappointed. It's Alex Martinez with Real Estate Skills. Happy flipping. I'll see you in the next one.